Hey, Cookie, you want to have your teeth brushed? Oh, good girl. Come on in. Have a seat. Sit down. That's a good girl. Where's your toothbrush? Where is it? Is it in here? Come here, let's see. Right here. There's your tooth. Oh, yeah, there it is. There's your toothbrush and there's your toothpaste. Okay, have a seat. Oh, turn around. Turn around. That's a good girl. Sit down. That's a good girl. Let's see. I'm gonna brush Cookie's teeth. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay. Open them. That's a good girl. Oh, look at that. Look. Beautiful teeth. Look at that. Do the front. That's a good girl. We're going to do the bottom one. So stop the tongue for a minute. There we go. That's a good girl. Yeah, look at that. I'll do the other side. Now wait. There we go. Now open up. That's a good girl. Yeah. That's a good girl you are. Okay, now open up. And brush your tongue. Yeah, all done. All done. You can go now.